Okay, I'm going live here from South Bend's boat launch. We got the rally cars starting to go through, and they seem like they're quite a ways apart from each other, so I will be just sitting here and people can watch and see what I'm seeing. It's raining, so the drone won't be going up unless it stops. Also got a couple other cameras running, and I'll be making a video hopefully later. So I'm going to turn the radio off and you can watch the vehicles. There's a fuel truck, it looked like. Okay, I'm getting word that there are a lot of them in the pits down by Dollar General across from Chin's. So hopefully they'll be coming this way and we will be getting them on video. I have no idea how they organize this race, if they all end up at Base Center, line up and take off on the South Bend Palix Road, or if this is a continuation from what they've been doing on Smith Creek Road. There's one, you can hear his engine. Yep. That was one. So I guess they're going to be spread out a little bit. And they'll be heading out 101 here to Base Center, getting on the South Bend Palix Road, and then heading back here to Willapa Road, and they'll pop out by Pioneer, I guess. It looks like one. It is one. Oh, that's an official.
Huh?
That was an official going by. Maybe they're getting ready to get to South Palix Road and start. Okay, we had another E-crew go by. And okay, it looks like all the official cars are going out. This is after all the safety cars are probably going through to check the course. So we'll just sit here and wait. Here comes a rally car. You can hear him coming up the road already. "227" is his number. Okay, hopefully they'll start coming now. Here comes another one. I can hear him. It must be the white one in the back or the first one, I'm guessing.
It's not the first one.
Oh, the third one. Got the black one here. It's a rally car. It looks like the white one is too. 457-192. You can look it up on the internet and figure out who they are, maybe. Okay, looks like the blue car right here. It is 945. I can hear one, but I'm not sure if it might be the one with the lights on, number 2. You can see an air damp thing on its hood. Oh, both of them. So we got blinkers on. 240, 621. There's 2 of them. And just so you know, this is not part of the race. This is just them getting to the starting point at South Palix Road. So they have to be driving the speed limit here. And the race section of the course is not open, so we can't even get up there to film. Okay, here we go. Another blue one. Right on the speed limit, I'm told. And he is number 979. That sounds like one right there, and it is one. That is 283. Here's another one. 269. Another one. 936. Sorry about the rain. The focus on the camera is going to be going in and out. And I hear one. I'm not sure if it's his first one or the second one. It is the first one. And his number is 529. I don't know if you can hear that, but it sounds pretty cool. Here we go. The white one here is a rally car. And its number is 799. There's your second ambulance. This looks like one here, the black one. And the little red one, it looks like too. So this will be 842 and 96. And Raymond Fire. Raymond Fire could probably win if they turn their lights on. Okay, the first one here, 972. And we got another one here, 490. There we go, the one with one light out. He is 203. This one has a stripe on it, so it might be a rally car. And it is a rally car. It is 802. Okay. 271. Oh, that's a funny looking car. 669. This looks like one of them older cars, which is 100. The last car was 472. Wasn't paying attention. That must be a support vehicle. S90. No, Vanessa. I'm not muting because I'm talking. Looks like one here, which is 190. Gotta give them credit. They're all going pretty much on the speed limit. Okay, looks like we got one here. I can't remember the name of these cars, but I got one on Gran Turismo. 236. Okay, here's another one. 214. Okay, we got 446. Here's another one. 869. Okay, well I plan to stop at 130, but I'll keep the camera rolling until I get to where their pits are. You can see it. So I'm going to head out, head towards the other end of town where the pit room is, or pit stall is, and then I'll disconnect. We got a car coming back. That is a safety car. Number 0, Team Fogui. Maybe we'll just sit here for a minute and we'll see what happens. Got a red one over here. Looks like he's getting ready to take off. They got gas cans around his car. Oh, there he comes. Maybe I'll just sit here and watch him come out. 103. S98 must be his back or his safety cars. S99. Might look into the pits better. I'll cruise over there. There's our tour of the Dollar General parking lot. Okay, you kind of see the pit area a little bit now. I don't see any cars in there. Okay. Don't see any cars but that one safety car. I decided I wasn't going to go down by City Hall and wait for him. Okie doke, that's it for now. Catch you later. There's one. 283. There's another one. 269, I believe. Come up Willapa. These brakes aren't working too good. They're squealing really bad. That is 490. Here comes the rally car. Maybe 2 of them. Get their numbers when they drive by here. $972. Try to get his other cars out. 203. That'd be fun to follow him if I can get up behind him. I will be able to get behind this guy. Good. Car. 203. We'll follow him. Looks like it says Oregon Maha back.